Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by grabbing a multimeter with both 10A and M ranges and a spare meter fuse. This prevents damage. Once done, turn off the ignition, lights, and accessories, and close doors so modules can sleep. Next, set the meter to DC current on the appropriate range and move the red lead to the 10A jack only if you expect high current. Otherwise, use the M jack later. Finally, disconnect the negative battery cable and be ready to place the meter in series immediately. You now put the meter in series between the negative battery post and the disconnected cable. This measures the actual parasitic draw. Read the initial current. If it's below 1 amp, make sure to switch to the M range for accuracy, because the 10A jack lacks sensitivity. Then wait 10 to 30 minutes so computers and modules go to sleep and watch for a steady state reading. While watching, note spikes and averages, because short-term surges differ from sustained drain, and tell you the how and why of power use. You finish by isolating the offending circuit. Pull fuses one at a time while watching the meter, and when the reading drops, you've found the culprit. Once identified, reinstall everything, reconnect the negative cable securely, and replace any meter fuse that blew during testing. Make sure to double-check that system's return to normal. Troubleshooting tip. If the meter shows an unexpectedly large current, stop and move the red lead to the high amp jack, because using the low amp input on a heavy draw can blow the meter fuse or damage the meter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.